Hi, it's Marisa from BumblebeeApothecary.com. Today I'd like to show you how to make my favorite version of a homemade foot scrub. So I came up with this particular recipe because I wanted something that would work for exfoliating feet, that would work on softening calluses, basically everything that you need to get your feet moisturized and calluses softened and ready for summer. So let's jump right in. I'm going to be using, for the oil butter portion of this recipe, Tallow Balm, of course. And if you're new to tallow, I have lots of other videos on why I love it. It's my all-time favorite thing for skincare. I'll link some of those videos below where you can check them out. If you don't have tallow and you still want to make this, then you can use a different combination of oils or butters. Shea butter or coconut oil would give you a similar consistency. But for this, I'm using some tallow balm that has been whipped already. So if you need to know how to make tallow balm, how to make it whipped, all that kind of stuff, I have another video that I'll link that shows how to make your own tallow balm. It's very easy and it's amazing. So I have some already whipped. I'm going to try to get about a couple tablespoons. Okay, maybe 4 tablespoons. I'm kind of eyeballing it just because I don't really want to measure this stuff, so I'm just kind of estimating here. So the right ratio when you're making a scrub, I figured out, is to have twice as much of your gritty exfoliating ingredient as you have of your butter and moisturizing type ingredient. So I think I have about 4 tablespoons of whipped tallow balm here, so that means I'm going to need 8 tablespoons of salt. For feet, I really like salt because it's a little bit more deeper exfoliating than sugar. I like sugar for my face and kind of like an all-over body scrub, but for feet, salt is wonderful. So I'm going to measure 8 tablespoons of this pink Himalayan salt. And then I'm just going to start mixing that in. And if you hear kids playing in the background, don't mind them. We're just making this all work here together at home, doing the work at home mom thing. So we're just gonna fold that in together so that we have a nice mixture until it's pretty much well combined. And then let's talk about the next thing that we want to add, which is going to be essential oils. I am going to be adding lemon essential oil as like my main active one that's going to be giving me my benefits. It's a nice acidic essential oil, so it can help soften calluses, which is really great to use in combination with the moisturizing and nourishing, hydrating properties of the grass-fed tallow, and then also the exfoliating properties of the salt. So then I'm going to do, let's do 48 drops of lemon. And then beyond that, you can add some other ones to give you whatever scent you would like. And for feet and scrubs and just different things like that, I really love peppermint. It's also a really nice one in combination with the lemon. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some peppermint. I'm gonna add a little bit less, like probably 24 drops. And then just continue folding that all in. Smells so nice, have good properties. And that is it. So it's all done, ready to use. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put it into my little glass storage jar. Since it does not contain any water or anything, this will be good at room temperature. Just make sure that when you use it, to use dry, clean hands. That way you won't introduce water or anything in it that would not be good. All right, there we go. Beautiful homemade foot scrub. Cannot wait to use this. It has those benefits of the grass-fed tallow that are amazing for nourishing and moisturizing skin. It's deeply hydrating and moisturizing. And then exfoliating, helping to soften the calluses, and it smells really good. My favorite time to use a foot scrub is either in the shower, just to use it real quick, or if I want to do like a whole pedicure, then I'll do like a foot soak and use it then. This makes a really nice gift if you wanted to give a nice handmade gift for someone. Whether you're making it for yourself or giving it as a gift, you can personalize it any way that you want by using different essential oils for different scents. You can also kind of change it up a little bit with some different things for the exfoliating part of it. You could do sugar if you did want to do it more of a full body one. You could use coffee grounds for your feet. I have pink Himalayan salt in this one, but Dead Sea salt would be another good option. Another nice addition that you can do also is adding some honey in it when you're making it. That also has very nice skin benefits. It should be good for probably about a year at room temperature. All right, I hope that you enjoyed seeing how easy it is to make that. Be sure and check out those other videos that I mentioned about how amazing tallow is for your skin and how to make the tallow balm and all that. And again, if you don't have tallow or don't want to use it, you can definitely use something like coconut oil and it will work pretty well too. So leave me a comment down below and let me know if you have ever made any of your own homemade scrubs and what are your favorite ingredients for them. I'll have some links below to the different ingredients that I'm using so you can find those easily, as well as my favorite brand of essential oils. I'll also have a link to my blog post where you can get a printable recipe card if you want to grab that. If you're new, I wanted to mention that over on my blog I have a member exclusive password protected subscriber library. It's where all of my free ebooks and checklists and printables and everything are all in one place. So there will be a link below where you can sign up to get access to that. I have some different body care, home remedy, and cooking recipe ebooks. Okay, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody else who you think would like to see it. Here on my channel, I show you how to make nourishing recipes for nutrient-dense food, natural remedies, and DIY skincare and home products. So if those are something that you're interested in and you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I get out 2 videos every week. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.